in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house.
Pumili kayo! Nagkakalokohan na tayo o nagkakanakawan na tayo? Safe house na halagang 16 million sa loob lamang ng 11 days. Pilipinas, pasensya na. Nagkaroon tayo ng VP na magnanakaw. Ganyang kagarapan si Inday Sara Duterte. May mga gastusin na hindi maipaliwanag. Hindi nag-liquidate ng maayos. Tandaan natin na pang-i-scam ang modus ni Sara.
Inamit na documents ng Vice President. Purchase of information, 14 million. Reward payment, 10 million 50,000. Rental of safe house. 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Tama? Meron pa rin mga ibang expenses. Meron nakalagay sa summary, payment of reward, various, 34,857,000. Meron din, purchase supplies, 11,813,000. Payment of rewards, Mr. Witness, 24 million. Now, 10 million. Payment of rewards. Rewards in medicine, in kind. 24,930,000. Rental of transfer vehicles related allegedly to confidential activities. 10 million pesos. Tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. Desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos.